First question. Income and consumption are directly related. As income increases, consumption expenditure also increases. Consumption, being a part of income, is directly depends upon income itself. So the answer for this question is option A. Second question. When was Consumer Protection Act passed? The answer is 1986. The Consumer Protection Act 1986 is an act of the Parliament of India enacted in 1986 to protect the interests of consumers in India. It makes provision for the establishment of consumer councils and other authorities for the settlement of consumer disputes and for matters connected therewith. The act was passed in Assembly in October 1986 and came into force on 24 December 1986. Next question. Which of the following Neolithic sites gave evidence of trough residence? The answer is Burzahum. The Burzahum archaeological site is located in the Kashmir Valley of the Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir. Archaeological excavations have revealed 4 phases of cultural significance between 3000 BC to 1000 BC. The Burzahum site revealed the transition from the subterranean and ground level housing features of the Neolithic people to the mud brick structures of the megalithic people. The unearthed antiquities of art, architecture, customs and rituals indicate that the prehistoric people of the Burzahum established contact with Central Asia and Southwest Asia and also had links to the Gangetic Plains and peninsular India.
To download free SSC mocks and previous papers, go to google.com and search Cracku free SSC mocks. Go to the first link from the search results. Click on the exams link you want to take. Click on the free mock to take the test.
Which of the following medieval rulers was called Jagat Guru? The 5th king of the Adil Shah dynasty is known as Jagat Guru Badshah. Ibrahim Adil Shah I, unlike many Muslim rulers of India, was particularly kind towards Hindus, who constituted the largest community. During his efficient rule that spanned 46 years, he built Hindu temples, dedicated Saraswati and Ganapati on the palace precincts. He played tampura, a musical instrument, and composed songs on Hindu deities. Next question. Which port is located at the northern end of the Panama Canal? The answer is Colon. Colon is a city and seaport in Panama beside the Caribbean Sea, lying near the Atlantic entrance to the Panama Canal. It is the capital of Panama's Colon province and has traditionally been known as Panama's second city. Next question. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? First option, Jog, Karnataka. Jog is located in Sagar Taluk in Shivamoga district of Karnataka state. It is famous for its Jog Falls near this village. So this is correctly matched. Papanashanam. Papanashanam, also spelled as Pavanasanam, is a famous picnic spot in Tirunelveli district in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It falls under the Ambasamudram Taluk. It is situated 60 km from the Tirunelveli. So Papanashanam is not correctly matched with Himachal Pradesh. Next option, Daundar, Madhya Pradesh. The Daundar Falls is a waterfall in Jabalpur district in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. So Daundar is correctly matched with Madhya Pradesh. Next, coming to Hundru and Jharkhand. The Hundru Falls is a waterfall located in Ranchi district of Jharkhand state. So Hundru and Jharkhand are correctly matched. So the answer of this question is Papanashanam, Himachal Pradesh. This is incorrectly matched. Next question. The term Anuvrata is associated to which religion? The answer is Jainism. The term Anuvrata stands for lesser vows. The lesser vows which Jain lay people take as a kind of parallel to the great vows of the ascetics. Next question. World's first green Islamic bond was issued by which country? The answer is Malaysia. World Bank green bonds help to raise awareness among investors and the financial community about how developing countries can take action on climate change. Next question. The international border of Myanmar is the longest with which country? The answer for this question is China. Myanmar shares boundaries with Bangladesh, India, Thailand and China. Next question. Isotherms have always same number of neutrons. Isotones, any of two or more species of atoms or nuclei that have the same number of neutrons are called as isotones. Next question. Atomic bomb is based on which principle? The answer is nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is a nuclear reaction or a radioactive decay process in which the nucleus of an atom splits into smaller or lighter nuclei. Next question. The dash is a key factor in making the Gram Panchayat play its role and to be responsible. The answer is Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha is a unique forum which provides space for all voters to participate, contribute and to ask questions. In many places, in our working panchayats, more than 200 panchayats are conducting Gram Sabha meetings regularly. Next question. In India, who appoints ministers at state level? The answer is governor of that particular state. At the state level, there is a governor in whom the executive power of the state is vested by the constitution. Governors are responsible for appointing ministers at the state level. Next question. The terminal part of the carpel in a flower which may be sticky is stigma. Option C. In a flower, this landing zone and entrance is the stigma. It plays a pivotal role in reproduction. Most stigmas are adapted to trap pollen with hairs, flaps and other surfaces to increase their efficiency. Most stigmas are covered with a waxy and sticky substance. Next question. Which chemical is present in the cells of cork of tree which makes them impervious to gases and water? The answer is suberin. Suberin is a waterproofing waxy substance constituent of cork and is named after the cork oak. Its main function is as to be a barrier to movement of water and solutes. For more videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.